And I'm back. I am going to take this ribbon off of here. Save it for something pretty. So nice. It has Dior written on it. Beautiful. Now we're gonna open the box. My cat is in the Dior box right now, but as long as he stays in the box, we're good. So we have a sticker holding it closed, and I would really like to salvage that. Pretty good, pretty good. And inside we have a nice dust bag. I think this is gonna have some samples in it. And a sample of Dior Lip Maximizer. Oh, look at that. Beautiful colors. My lighting's pretty terrible right now, isn't it? Let's see. Pink Intense Shimmer Macadamia and Holo Lavender. They even give you a little brush. Beautiful. This nail polish I'm wearing, which I'm not a good nail painter, but this is actually from Dior as well. So we got some Dior worms. And what I bought in here is Effet French Manicure, Instant French Manicure Effect, Whitening Nail Care. This just looks so pretty on the website. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. It has a CD on the top of it. And it is beautiful. I can't wait to use it. So I'm going to stick that back in there. And I also bought Miss Dior Rose and Roses Roller Pearl Perfume. That has the sticker on it. And this is a little fancier than other. I'm going to keep that right there. And open this because I've actually never smelled the rose. I like the regular Miss Dior, but I've never smelled the rose. So I took a little bit of a chance ordering this one, but I love roses and I love the Miss Dior. So I am hoping that this one will be nice, and just for the packaging alone and the bottle it comes in. Let me see how it's open. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh my God, look at how gorgeous. I'm trying to show it up against the white so you can see how pretty pink it is. Beautiful. So now, let's see how it smells. Oh, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh, I'm so happy I got it. And there's the roller ball, and it's pink. Oh my God, it smells beautiful. If you like roses and Dior, it's the perfect mixture. It's beautiful. So that is that, and let's see what we get in the little dust bag. Oh, we are getting one more perfume, and this is Miss Dior, which I already have a beautiful little bottle, sample bottle that's just gorgeous. So that's nice to have for your purse. A delectable smooth velvet rose, as if embroidered with 1,000 shimmering colorful flowers. Like an olfactory millefiore, freshness and sensuality are intertwined to enhance the most couture fragrance by the House of Dior. That's awesome. Well, you know what? I have my other Dior sitting right here, so I could show you what I got in there. Why not? So, what I got in here is this nail polish that I already told you I have on my fingers, and it is 658 Pink Leopard. And this came from a collection I want to say is called Mitzvah. And this is the sample. I got to pick a luxury sample or a deluxe sample of Miss Dior, and is that the cutest? It's tiny, and this is actual perfume. It's not the roller or anything. Blooming Bouquet. This one smells really nice, but I like the rose better. That's gorgeous. And what else did I get in here? These are 2 samples. They're just sticks, so I won't take them out. But it's Rosewood and Eden Rock. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. And then the other 2 things I got were, it is Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil in the color Cherry 015. And that is beautiful. Look at the color. Oh, so pretty. And the last thing is Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. And this is in the color Minty Rose. So it actually has no color, but it is just like a lip balm. And I guess I didn't even think about it. You could tell I'm not a makeup or luxury channel, but I do like my luxury stuff. So I did try this a little bit, and it's not as sticky as regular lip gloss. It is a little sticky, but it's very nice, and the color is beautiful. So that is my Dior haul, and I thank you for watching. You should pick some of this stuff up. This perfume, I don't know. Chanel Chance has always been my jam. I love it, but that is gorgeous. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Buy yourself something nice. Makes you feel good. Have a beautiful day. Bye.